Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our class that is Serve the Humanity. So before doing so, I have a question for you. Do you worship God? And if yes, then why? Some people say that they worship God because they want to please Him. Means they want to make the God happy. But here is the thing that children's, but to please God, worshipping is not the only way. Means we can't please God by only worshipping them or Him. Instead of doing this, humanity is one of the best way to please the God. Okay, so what God expects from us? He just expects you to do goods to every creature in the world and service to humanity. Means God always expect us that we should do good with other creatures like animals and all, and even human beings too, and give service to the humanity. God has made all the living beings, so they are all His childrens. Okay, means we are all His childrens. When these children become unhappy, God also become unhappy. Means if the children of God is not happy, then God will become unhappy. And if you serve the unhappy children of God, He is bound to be pleased with you. Means if we will serve someone who is unhappy, because everyone is to be pleased with you, means He will be happy from you. So serve the poor and helpless on the earth. So we should always serve the poor and helpless people on this earth. Many great people have shown us the way to serve the humanity, and many people have done this before. Do you know why Mother Teresa is remembered with love by all of us? Means there is an example, that is Mother Teresa, who is being remembered by love, with love by all of us. Even she is not with us, she became a religious nun in early days. All her life she served the poor and sick people. She started her mission in Kolkata and become the symbol of care and affection and admiration. Means Mother Teresa has become a religious nun in the early days, and she served the poor and sick people. Even she started education. Thereafter, Mother Teresa served every disabled and orphans who came to her. Means those people who have been came to her. Then she had just try to serve and try to help them, like every kind of disabled and orphan peoples. Okay, her message to love and service has reached all over the world. Means her message of the love and service has reached all over the world. Means she started become famous in the world by the name of Mother Teresa, and every people will just came to know that there is a lady who is doing something great about humanity. Thereafter, the great saint Swami Vivekananda was the disciple of Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans. Thereafter, there is a new name which is coming up, that is a great saint Swami Vivekananda. He always follow Swami Ramakrishna Paramhansa. Okay, so Swami Ramakrishna liked all religion. The specific features of his teaching was the service to humanity. Means Swami Ramakrishna always respect all the religions, and his teachings, means in his teachings, in his lecture, in his everything, he always try to say that give service to humanity. He believed that service of man is the service of God. Means if we are serving for a man, then it will become the service for the God. After his death, Swami Vivekananda founded the Ramakrishna Mission with the purpose of serving the humanity. Means after being dead, Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission for the purpose of serving the poor peoples and needy peoples. That is called humanity. Always remember that we collectively make this society, we help others and we are held by other in turns. Means always remember that we are the people who make this society, so we should make our society clean and positive. We help others and we are helped by others in turn. Means if we will help other peoples, then there are so many peoples who will also coming for our help whenever we need them. Everyone who help the poor and disabled will be blessed by God. Means those person who help the poor and disabled person will be blessed by God. Such selfless effort may not be immediately understood or appreciated, but such persons are being remembered by the forthcoming generation. Means this kind of selfless effort may not be immediately understood by the other people or appreciated, but after getting some time, it will be remembered by the forthcoming of generation. Some people represent God on this earth. They take care of those who are helpless. They do everything they can do for them. We cannot forget them. We cannot forget the name of some great personalities like Mother Teresa, Guru Nanak, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, and all. Means there are some people who represent God in this earth, who always helped the person who have don't no, I mean like those person who are disabled and very poor, like helpless. Okay, they did everything, whatever they can do, and we cannot forget them. And whom we cannot forget them, we cannot forget the great personalities like Mother Teresa, Guru Nanak ji, Swami Vivekanand, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekanand. These are the names of the great personalities. Thereafter, the lesson we have learned from this chapter is serve the humanity whenever you get a chance to do that. Means very few people get a chance to serve for humanity, and if you are getting a chance to serve for a humanity, to help a needy people, to help a orphan, to help a disabled, then you should do it, and you will become a great personality too. So, so I'm going to close the class now. Okay.